Hi everybody, welcome back to Polymer Clay by Deb. I'm Deb, this is Crazy Felix, and welcome to our new studio. This is our first video in our brand new studio, so I am no longer working in my kitchen. Now what we do in my kitchen is just cook and eat, and we do all of the clay here in my studio. So I'm going to step back and just give you a quick little tour of the studio. So this is it. This is my new studio. It's not as bright and cheery as my red and white kitchen was in Virginia. However, it's still the 50s theme, and it has turquoise and pink, which are a couple of my favorite colors. And the good thing about it is now I can eat in my regular kitchen. So my regular kitchen is still red and white, but it's still not as nice as the one I had in Virginia. But this is just giving you a little overview of my studio, and all I do in here is bake clay and feed kitty cats. We are feeding the cats in here too because they keep the dog away from their food. So that's their little place where they eat and keep me company. So basically that's it. Nothing fancy. Okay, so what I'm going to do here today is show you what we're going to be working on in our next few videos coming up. We have done some jars, and I'm going to show you some of the jars that we've done. And when we do our videos on these jars, the one that I make during the video will be given away to somebody, some lucky winner. This one is the first one. This is Felix's favorite, and I don't think I need to explain why it's his favorite. He has his treats in here. And this little cat is supposed to be Felix, and he has his paw pointing toward his mouth, saying, feed me, I want a treat." And then we have Freedom's favorite. This is her puppy dog bone jar, and she has her treats in here. And this jar, I haven't decided yet whether we're going to glue some dog bones on top, which would be very simple, or if we're going to make it with an actual puppy dog on the top of it. This one is a baby jar, and I have put Q-tips in here, and it would be really good to put cotton balls in as well. Then I have, this is just an all-around kitchen jar. I have put elbow macaronis in here, but you could put human treats like M&Ms in this jar, and that would be great too. Then I have a couple smaller jars here that I've done for Easter. This one is a simple one here. That's the front, and the top comes off, just unscrews, and I have jelly beans in this one. And this one is an Easter jar with the Easter bunny on it, and this one unscrews as well, and it has jelly beans in it. Then I've done two for Valentine's Day, which, okay Mozart, you're going to have to get out of our way here. Come on, get down. All right, over there's good. Okay, so then here I have two for Valentine's Day. This one is actually a ring box. I think this is really cool. Inside is a ring, and it has your styrofoam in there for the ring. So it's a great gift box, and you can make it for earrings or anything. And then here's another one that could be used as a ring box, or you could put something like buttons or candies. What I think would be really cute, but it's too late now to get the little candies, the little candied hearts that have little sayings on them. That would be really cute in this jar, and it would be great too for kids to make and hand out at Valentine's Day with little candies inside. So those are some of the things we'll be focusing on. And then at the end of this video, one lucky winner is going to get this little Petey Penguin. Just all you need to do is leave a comment, and we will pick a random person out of the comment section to win this little guy, and we will send you the ornament. So that's what we'll be doing at the end of the video. So that wraps it up for this video. Felix is wanting a treat. And here comes Mozart, so we'll give him a treat. So be sure to like, favorite, subscribe, so that you will be notified when the next video is going to be coming out. And then also to see who won the Petey Penguin Ornament. So until next time, I'm Deb with Polymer Clay by Deb. This is Crazy Felix, Little Mozart, and we'll see you later. Bye now. You want to show everybody how you can shake hands. Okay, Felix, sit. Nope, sit. All right, shake. Good baby. Oops. All right, do it again. Sit. Sit. Shake. Good boy. One more time. Sit. Shake. Okay. Too many kitties in the picture here.